Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel. My name is Maria. I am a junior psychology major at the University of Maryland, and in my first year I lived in Ellicott Hall, which is a non-air conditioned residence hall on campus. So today we're going to show you how to position a box fan in your residence hall room window to keep cooler during those hot days. Let's get started. First, you'll need the box fan provided in your room or an additional fan you may have brought with you. Next, ensure the window surface is free from obstructions. Now, let's position the fan. You have two options. You can use the fan to pull cool air in or push hot air out. For maximum cooling, during the lowest temperature periods of the day, position the fan with the blades facing inwards to pull cool air in. During the warmer times of the day, position the fan with the blades facing outwards to draw out the warm air. When you are awake in the room, having your door open helps create cross ventilation. Once the fan is positioned as you want it, plug in the fan and turn it on. Start with the lowest setting and increase the speed as needed. Here are a few extra tips. Close your blinds during the day to keep the sun out. Consider bringing an additional fan to position near your bed and to circulate air in the room. Use a damp cloth or spray bottle to lightly mist yourself for a quick cool down, or hang out in the air-conditioned lounge or multi-purpose room spaces in your community. I met some of my closest friends hanging out in a lounge of my residence hall. And make sure to stay hydrated. And there you have it, an effective way to help keep your room cooler with a fan. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Stay cool and see you next time.